In this video, we're going to talk about different types of inheritance that is supported in C# and what are the type of inheritance not supported in C#, and also we'll uh, discuss about sealed, one of the keyword here, right? So let's begin. As you know, in object-oriented programming, specifically say with respect to C++, there are several types of inheritance. One is known as single inheritance, where there is a base class, there is a child class involved. Then there is multiple inheritance, where base class, this child class can inherit from multiple base classes, okay? And then there is multi-level inheritance, where developer again can have other child classes. Say for example, I'm writing in the same file, don't mind. So public class, say junior developer, inheriting from developer class. So you can do that, isn't it? So junior developer here inherits from developer, developer inherits from employee, right? So this is how it happens. Now this is multi-level inheritance, single level inheritance in the sense developer inheriting from employee. Now there is something called multiple inheritance, which is not supported in C#, as because in C#, the fact is simply, if you try to inherit from multiple base classes, then there is a problem. Consider if those base classes have certain function in common. So when you create an object of the child class and you try to call a common function, at that point of time, from exactly which class this common function is being called is unknown exactly, right? In C++ there is a solution, but C# in .NET particularly, multiple inheritance is not supported because of that issue. So how do we solve that problem? That's a different thing. We'll discuss about it later. But right now, one thing you should understand, that multiple inheritance of a class is not possible in C#, whereas multi-level is possible, single is possible, etc., etc. In the meantime, there is one more thing I must say. Every .NET class do inherit from behind the scene a class by the name object. So you didn't write it, but it's equivalent to writing colon object. This is how it is. Object is the top level base class which has got some common functionalities usable in each and every class. As you can see, when I create a developer class instance in my main function, apart from calculate salary, developer dot, you will find lots of other things are also coming, such as say equals method, okay, say toString method, say we're talking about what next is get hashcode method, etc., etc., and also get type method. These are certain methods. You might wonder where they came from, as because every .NET class do inherit from a base class behind the scene. From object class, you automatically inherit those members like get type, get hashcode, equals, and toString method. Okay, so to say top level class is always object, from their employee has inherited, and from that developer has inherited, and from that junior developer has inherited. So it's kind of a multi-level inheritance you are looking at. Okay, is this object class inherited into developer? Not required. As simple as that. Object has already been inherited in employee. Those members from object are also inherited down the line in the developer from that junior developer. So there is no question of multiple inheritance. Once again, do not think that you are inheriting from employee comma object, as because I said every .NET class do inherit from uh, object class. So it has been inherited in the employee class already. Now, suppose at one point of time you want to stop this chain of inheritance, you can use this keyword sealed with this any class you want. So to say, if you say that I would like to not inherit further from the developer class, then you can mention here sealed public class developer. What will happen? You can see already I'm getting a compilation error that junior developer cannot derive from the sealed type developer. So this way you can stop this inheritance chain anytime. So sealed keyword is used with the class, and also you will see later point of time sealed keyword can be used with method, but I'm not showing you in this video. In this video I just told you what are the type of inheritance supported in C# and what is a sealed keyword, what is object class, etc., etc., isn't it? So I'll just try comment this code, and that's all in this video.